Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Sandra, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. So guys, we only have a little bit of 2025 left, and if you weren't happy with how your 2025 looked like and you want to basically do better for yourself for 2026, then this is the video for y'all. So let's talk about 26 things we can do before 2026 to basically upgrade our lives. So guys, by the time I'm finna upload this video, it's already been 2026. So happy New Year's to y'all, and I hope you're having a great start to your year. So I already have my notebook with everything I want to talk about. So make sure to grab you a pen and a paper if you find inspiration from the things I'm finna talk about. So before we move on to 2026, we have to reflect on 2025. We have to figure out what worked out for us in 2025, what didn't work out, and what trained us basically. Next, you want to decide what you're not going to be taking into 2026. Those could be habits, whatever. Figure that out. For me, I'm not going to be that rotting in 2026. Yeah, I'm not going to be doing that. So, guys, next, you want to write down your 2026 goals. So, get you a notebook, your iPad, whatever, write your 2026 goals. There might be 2026, there might be goals you weren't able to achieve in 2025, and you want to work on those goals. Write them down for your 2026 goals as well. Next, you want to create a 2026 vision board. Guys, vision boards are really helpful. I didn't do one for 2025, but I did one for 2024 and I know they're really helpful. But I definitely did a vision board for 2026. And if you want to see how my vision board for 2026 looks like, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my upcoming video. Next, you want to declutter your phone. Yeah, go through your camera roll. I know there are dozens of pictures in your camera roll you definitely do not need and is taking up a lot of storage. Go through, delete all pictures you don't like or pictures of people you don't want to bring with you to 2026. Delete those. We don't need those, okay? Next, you want to clean your mail and unsubscribe to spam lists. Yeah, clean your mail. A lot of times I don't even receive my mails because my storage is full, so make sure to go through those lists and unsubscribe to them. Next, you want to fix your sleep schedule. I'm guilty of this one. I am guilty. My sleep schedule is really messed up. It's like really bad. Like I'm awake at night and I sleep during the day. It doesn't make sense. So we need to switch up our sleep schedule. That's something I'm really gonna work hard on this 2026. Next, you want to start your morning tech free, guys. It's really easy for us to like wake up and grab our phones. We don't want to do that. You don't want to start your day doom scrolling. You don't want to do that. So you can wake up. For me, I want to wake up, pray, do my morning routine, then I can go on my phone. That's what you want to be doing in the morning when you wake up, not grabbing your phone. Find something, do something. Don't grab your phone, guys. Next, you want to deep clean your space. That could be your room, your bathroom, your kitchen, your house, whatever. Just clean up your space before going into 2026 so that you can start off your year fresh and clean in a clean space, clear mind, okay? Then you want to create a realistic and balanced morning routine. Guys, create a routine that works for you and is realistic to you. Yes, you can get inspiration from others, but they're doing what is realistic to them. So you want to make sure you're creating something that is realistic to you. Next, you want to clear out all your contacts. Especially contacts of people you don't want to bring with you. I'm gonna keep saying this. I have a lot of those contacts that I need to get rid of for 2026 because if you know what I mean. Next, you want to forgive yourself for one thing and consciously let go of it. I know we might have made mistakes or said things and done things that we're not really proud of. So I want you to look for like one thing to forgive yourself about. You don't want to carry that thing with you into 2026. You want to start 2026 with a clear mind and a clean heart. So do that. Next, you want to pick on one skill to go deep into in 2026. That could be reading, journaling, going to the gym, whatever it is for you. Pick out one skill you want to go deeper into. Next, you want to write a letter to your future self. Writing a letter to your future self is basically to motivate you. You want to write about how your 2025 was and what you want to do better for yourself in 2026. Next, you want to message your loved ones to remind them how important they are to you. Things might get busy along the way. You might forget to reach out to people you really care about. So, guys, do that. I want to do that's something I want to work on too. So, yeah. Next, you want to compliment yourself. We're all good at giving compliments to others, but what about ourselves? So, it is important to give yourself a compliment. So, that is something you should be doing for yourself every day. Next, you want to get you a journal. I'm not really good at journaling, and I don't got the patience for journaling, but it's something I want to get into and want to try doing. So, yeah. Next, you want to restock on essentials. That could be hygiene essentials, house essentials, whatever essentials you need to get those before the start of the year. Next, you want to declutter your closet, guys. If you have any clothes you don't wear, declutter, donate. Do whatever you want to do with, but don't take them into 2026. If you're not wearing stuff, just donate them. There are other people who need them. Next, you want to stop giving your energy to people who don't deserve it and don't add any value to your life. Yeah, get rid of those people. Stop giving your energy to those people, and that's something I'm definitely doing this 2026 before 2026. Yeah, I have a lot of those people to get rid of. Next, you want to start drinking more water. Yeah, it is important to drink at least a liter of water a day, and it is important to stay hydrated. Staying hydrated means good skin, glowy skin. So stay hydrated. You can get you a new bottle so you can remind yourself you have to drink water. Next on our list, we have spend one full evening offline and alone with your thoughts. Guys, again, it is easy for us to bed rot, lay in our bed, and doom scroll before going to bed. I'm guilty of it too. I'm not gonna lie. I know there are people who are gonna lie, but I'm not gonna lie about this. I doom scroll. Yeah, yeah, I wanna do better. I don't wanna doom scroll before going to bed. Yeah. Next, we have delete any apps you do not use. Guys, go through your phone, look at apps you haven't used for the last 6 months and delete them. You don't need those apps and they're taking up all your storage space. Then, next, we're gonna define what success actually means to us. Success could mean anything for every person. For me, success could be happiness. You gotta find what success actually means to you. So, yeah, last but not the least, you wanna write down 10 things you are proud from 2025. It could be 5 things, it could be one thing. Just do you and write what you're proud about. So, guys, that was it for my 26 things to do before 2026. I'm definitely gonna be working on some of the things I wrote down. So, yeah, if you want to have a fresh start to your year, these are the things you should be doing to get a good start to the to 2026 basically. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.